اوكي، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد عليه وعلى آله وصحبه أفضل الصلاة وأزكى التسليم. أبتدي أكمل طبعا بسبب ما أدري تعثرات، طبعا أسئلة واجد أنا أول مرة أشوفهم للأمانة. حبيت أولا أقدم اعتذاري في نهاية فيديو اللي طاف 2.3. مزاجي شوي تغير من كمية الأسئلة. اوكي طبعا انا ما شفتهم، انا اشرح ارتجالي، يعني كذي اشوف السؤال احل، اشوف السؤال اشرح، اطلع الجواب اشرح واحل كذي. المهم هالسؤالين ضلوا باقي دلين الاسئله، قلت سووا كذي دلين الاسئله، قلت لكم سووا كذي، ولكن لاحظت انهم اسئله جدا مهمين، لذلك لاهميه الاسئله. اوكي لاهميه الاسئله بعيد اشرح هذين الاسئله اوكي لاهميتهم، ولكن بطريقه اخرى يمكن حق اسهل على روحي واسهل عليكم. انزين هذا لين السؤال. طبعا احتمال هذا السؤال عادي يجي في الامتحانات حتى. اوكي so in the beginning I want to say sorry for the end of the previous record, and yeah I will repeat again and explain this both questions, which is the last two questions 15 and 16, because of the importance of the question. Okay, and that maybe in this type of the question it will become in the exam, okay, as a writing question maybe. So you have to take care. I don't know the type of the question will be, how it will be in the exam, but yeah, I will go ahead and explain for this question how to solve this problem. As I say for you in the beginning, how I can solve this example. As I say, you have to do multiplication by flip the sign between the whatever. So here I have square root of 3 plus t minus square root of 3, here minus, if I multiply it I have to multiply it by 3, here 3 minus t. Okay, so plus minus, same as also here. I by the way, I prepare the solution for this question. I prepare the solution of it. So how I can solve this question, which is same as I said now. You have to multiply this one. Okay, you have to multiply this one by the flip the sign and multiply that in the denominator and numerator, in the up and down, okay, in the top and bottom, and then you will find in the end the result. As I said in the previous record of 2.3, if you multiply this one, you have to multiply it by something. You have to do something, which is I will multiply this one first by first and second by second. Only that it's why? Because if I multiply it the first by first and second by second and first by first and first by second and second by first and second by second, I will reach by something called minus what you can see. If I multiply this one by this one, okay, I will get in positive, and then I will multiply it now this one by this one. When I come multiply this one by this one, I will get okay in plus in minus, but when I multiply this one by this one, I will get minus. So plus minus it will go. So the better way you have to do is multiply the first one by the first one only and the second one by second one only. Then if you multiply the first one by first one, second one by second one, you will find the bracket. Because of bracket gone, so I multiplied, for example here, same as 3 plus t whole to the power half by 3 plus t to the power half. So in the multiplication rule, by multiplication rule, you will find half plus half is because of the multiplication you have to sum up the powers. So depending on that you will find it is 1. So it is half to the power half plus to the power half. So 50 fields by 50 fields, 50 fields plus 50 fields, I have 100 fields, that will be 1. Okay, so I reach with this one. Okay, and then after this one you can see here 3 plus t minus under the bracket 3 minus the t. You can, you can multiply the minus inside the bracket and open the bracket, that you will be reached to the 3 plus t minus 3 because of 3 here plus t again. So here you will see that the 3 and minus 3 is gone. Okay, so I will cancel each other, and then you will see that I have t plus t, that means 2t. And I will not touch the denominator. Okay, denominator, the bottom. Okay, then I will not touch the bottom, the denominator, and denominator, sorry. المهم I go then 2t, I have 2t, and I will not touch the bottom, so I will cancel each other, tt, because this one I have t multiplied by whole this bracket from the beginning of the question. Then yeah, so I cancel, the remaining will be with us. Okay, the remaining will be with us is 2 over square root of 3 plus 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2. The same. Okay, I put it in the both any double bracket. The same. If you use this one, it's correct, and if you write same as this way, is correct. Okay, then as I have limit x goes to the, so you have to write again here limit x goes to the 0. Okay, then I will substitute here, also here you have to do x goes to the 0. Okay, I will substitute each, I will remove each t and put in place it 0. So yeah, I'll go 2 over square root of 3 plus square root of 3 because 0 0. So for that reason I will reach with the 2 over 2 square root of 3. Why? Because I have 2 square root of 3. Okay, otherwise, by the way, I do it manually here. You can put this one all in the calculator and you will find the result. You will find in the calculator square root of 3 over 3. It is same. Okay, if you put it this one in the web assign will be work, and I do it by manually, which is cancel 2 by 2. The remaining will be 1 over 3, 1 over square root of 3. That which I see it in the web assign. I like it this one, by the way, but if you do it only this step, sorry, yeah, so if you do it in only this step, you will find, and you have to do only this one. If you reach to this one, you can put all this one in calculator and put the zeros in place of the t, or you can do the calc. Okay, use the calc. Okay, put the equation and use the calc, and you can find, yeah, you will find directly the result. Okay, after that you can also, if you do it in the exam, you can do like this also, just like this, right, like this, 3 over 3. Okay, you will get full mark inshallah. Okay, this is the first question, which is the 2 final last questions. Okay, in the end I have also question number 16, also very important question, and maybe it will come in the exam or same as it is. Okay, not same, not this question, but the thing will be the same. Okay, here what is the problem in the question? What is the thing I have to use it or do it here that different than the other questions? Here I will first explain my way, which is the straight or the fast way, and then I will explain the second way, which is the not fast but it is easy. يعني maybe you will find here it is complicated for this question. Forget about the first question. up خلاص. You will find maybe here difficult in the solving, but it is fastly. But if you failed here, you will get 0. Okay, for sure you will get 0. But there is other way also. I will explain it. You will never ever forget it. Okay, you will never ever forget. I believe this one. So let us, but who is want to the fast way, you can follow me now. Yeah, the question will be it is same as this one. Limit h goes to the 0 for x to the x plus 3h whole to the power 3 minus x over h. The main complicated thing here that how I can open the bracket to the power 3. يعني ما نسوي نروح نوزع الأول تربيع زائد الثاني تربيع، الأول تربيع زائد الثلاثة في الثاني في الأول. لا 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 لا. هذا إذا كان عندي x plus h to the power 2 يمشي. الأول تربيع زائد الأول في الثاني في 2 زائد الثاني تربيع. لكن in place of the 3, okay, in place of the 3 the rule will be different. So depending on the rule, same as the x plus h to the power 2, which I have rule which is equal to شنو؟ أول تربيع زائدا الأول في الثاني في 2 زائدا الثاني تربيع. This is the general rule. It is same for the bracket number 3. I will have that something we call the first cube plus 3 first square by second plus والله وش اسوي دقيقة خربطهم انا. Okay, I will write it for example a. So for example I have a plus b cube. Okay, that I have, depending on this one, I have the rule is a cube plus 3a cube by b plus 3b cube by a, sorry not cube, square, three a square by b, 3b square by a plus b a cube, depending on this one. Okay, depending on this one I will follow this rule, that I will use the first cube plus first by second square, sorry 3 by first square by second plus 3 second square by first plus h cube. I can use any, I can put x cube here, I can put here, because الجمع عملية تبديلية. I can replace anywhere the multiplication and additional relation. Okay, فصار شنو؟ الأول تكعيب زائدا 3 في الأول تربيع في الثاني بدون تربيع زائدا 3 في الثاني في الأول في الثاني تربيع في الأول زائدا الثاني تكعيب. Okay, high direct straightforward. And then I replace, زين في الوان هنا كذي المهم. And then I come here, okay, and put this one here. So in place this one, depending on this one, I see that x cube and minus x cube will be gone. So it is gone, cancel each other. So yeah, after that, when you cancel each other, the remaining will be h cube plus 3x square h plus 3h square x over h. You can see here in each term of the plus I have h. So can I take one h from each one? Can I see صار كأن ال h صاير رفيق الكل، قاعد عند الكل، خليه يصير رفيقي واخذه واتصرف فيه انا. So can I take h from each of you to me? Yes, you can. For sure you can in math. Okay. I take each place. So h. The remaining is, so from here is h gone. From here h 3 in place of 3 will become square, and here is square will come 1h. Now I will cancel this one with this one because I have it. So now the question will be easy. So I can just direct substitution, remove the h and put the, here I don't have h, so don't touch it. Here I have h, 0 square is 0 and 3 by 0 is 0, so the remaining will be 3x square, so the answer will be 3x square. There is another way to understanding okay, not to memorizing the math. I hope the students have to both things, the memorize and understand also, because sometimes you have time. Okay, I will take the advantage of the time and solve it in correct way that I cannot be mistake. Okay, and then if there is no time, so you memorize it already, so you can do it. Okay, you can do it by memorizing also. So yeah, because of the time, I see before for you that you have to take for the time. اوكي، انا حتى بالعربي دائما اقول الوقت مهم جدا. المهم in this case هذه بشرحها فوق بكتبها احسن. In this case I have what? I have this one. شنو راح يوضح لكم هذا؟ This is the another way for the question. شنو يقول لكم هذا؟ يعني شنو؟ what mean؟ خلينا يقول لما يكون عندي انا 3 أس 3 يعني شنو؟ ما هو عبارة عن 3 في 3 صح ولا لا؟ زين شنو بيصير لما يكون عندي x plus h to the power 3؟ هو نفسه is equal to، هو نفسه بيكون x plus h by x plus h by x plus h، صح ولا لا؟ هذا اللي انا سويته هني. انا جيت شنو هني؟ ضربت ال h مرة ومرتين و3. انزين، سؤال رقم 2. احنا نعرف ان لو كان عندي قوسين مع بعض شلون نتصرف وياهم من الاعدادي طبعا. اوكي، all our us we know how to do this, how to open this bracket. الاول في الاول والاول في الثاني والثاني في الاول والثاني في الثاني. So let us do it this one. So first by first and first by second and second by first and second by second. Let us do this one. So yeah, first by first it is x by x square. First by second first by second بيختار بالشكل الحين. المهم first by second will be xh. So and then what I have, let us start. Second by first is hx, again x. Then second by second, h by h is h square. So I find this one all. So now I open this bracket. So I open one bracket. Now what will be happen if I do this way? First by first and first by second and first by third and first by fourth. I will again, so I will open the bracket twice. In the first time and second time. What will be happen again? So first by first, so second by first, and second by second, and second by third, and second by fourth. يعني بمعنى آخر عفوا، الأول في الأول في الثاني، الأول في الثاني، الأول في الثالث، الأول في الرابع. نجي لا، الثاني في الأول، الثاني في الثاني، الثاني في الثالث، الثاني في الرابع. so easy. لما نضرب الأول في الأول، x في الإكس سكوير x كيوب، الإكس في الإكس h سكوير شنو x سكوير في الh. لو ضربت الإكس في الإكس أنا هم مرة ثانية أنا بضرب الحين اللي باللون الأزرق، x في الإكس h في الترم الثالث، هم الترم الثالث نزلت تحت. نفس الشيء الإكس في الh وتكون h سكوير في الإكس. حلو. بلس، هذا البلس أنا بالأمانة حطيته شيء كبير عشان يبين إنه مفصول الأول عن الثاني. that mean h by x is will be h square. h by x square will be x h square, and same thing if I h by x h will be x h square, and then and so on. so okay يكون واضح. طبعا تشوفوا الصفحة أنا بطرش هذا هاي الورقة بطرشها إليكم في الجروب إن شاء الله. okay then what will be happen then يعني what is the next step. okay, this is the term. I think all of you know this one, okay, and know how to deal with this one. okay, first by first and second by second. okay, الآن نأتي إلى شيء نسمونه التشابهات. okay, what is the term which I have same. so بنجي أول شيء عندي لما تشوفون x to the power 2h and x to the power 2h and x to the power 2h, I have it here 3 times. and then same I have also h square x, h square h, h square x. it is same, x by h square, it is h square by h by x, it is same. okay, so I have it also. so what will be happen if I add it together? so I add 3x by h, sorry 3x square by h together, and I add 3 h square x together. that will be 3h square of x. now the remaining is h cube and x cube, so I put it as it is here, x cube, here h cube. then written back to the question. our question is h here صاير كذي يعني صاير h plus x minus x square over x cube minus x cube over h. السؤال صاير كذي. so for that reason I put here minus x. حلو. انزين جبت الحين minus x. طبعا كله هذا ويا هذا راح يروح. خليني اختار لون ثاني غيره. انزين هذا ويا هذا راح يروح. so the remaining will be what? the remaining will be those all. so I will put it all together down. so here, here, here. okay, and then divide by h. so the same question which I said in the previous type of the solving. how can I take from each one of the h? yes, you can. okay, so I take h here and cancel it, h from each one. so h from here, h from here, sorry, h from here and h from here, and put it here. then I cancel h over h, and yeah, 3x square plus 3h square plus h square. now you have to substitute in each h, you have to remove it and substitute by 0. so if it is 0,
صلاة المغرب الآن.
if it is 0 we will go. okay, if it is 0, so 0 will go, and yeah, the remaining will be 3x square. okay, the remaining will be 3x square. so that is the answer. there is any ways how I can solve it, but yeah, you can follow any type of the solution you want. okay. good luck inshallah, and sorry for late or taking more time. Thank you.